Within our control board in Revit, you find the Issues and Tasks tab, where we provide you with tools for collaboration, communication, and task management. In this video, I will first show you the basic features of a report and how to use them. The reports listed here represent tasks that are to be edited by you or shared with colleagues and other design participants. They are either created by the users themselves or generated by the program within the design. The Issue and Task tab is discipline dependent, like all other tabs we are using, to keep the focus on the actual work step. For example, here in the processing of the ventilation design, you see all reports that have been created within the ventilation design. In this case, the 8 reports listed here come from the duct network calculation, the collision check of the ventilation with itself, and the collision check of the ventilation with the architecture. When you click on one of these reports, you will automatically navigate to the relevant location and can start processing immediately. You can also identify the components involved and highlight them in different colors or view them isolated. The processing of a report relies to a predefined workflow. The pre-configured workflow runs through 3 stages, namely the status open, in progress, and closed. In another video, I will show you how you can also define individual workflows and work steps, and how you can also optimally control the coordination of multiple project participants and communicate with each other within the model. Now we want to start editing this report and change the status to in progress by clicking on Start. Now the status bar of the corresponding topic changes, and we can see from the light blue color that the first report is in progress. Using the linear offset command, I can quickly resolve the collision here. Select the ducts, accept the offset suggestion, done. For better documentation, it is possible to attach a screenshot, which can also be edited directly. By default, Microsoft Paint is opened, but you can also define any image editing program as default and then have the option to add more content to the image and save it to the report. I highlight here once the resolved collision and save the picture. Now this picture can be called up at any time via the report. Within the report, you can also leave comments to the respective tasks, which again can be read by other participants and also answered like you would do in a chat. As an example, I describe here the implemented offset with collision resolved by offset of exhaust air below. A BIM coordinator, for example, has now the optimal input for checking it afterwards. If everything is done, I can end the process and close the report. Again, the status bar of the topic changes, and you can see from the dark blue area that one of the reports has already been closed. In this way, you can work through your project in a comprehensible way and correct errors, carry out optimizations in a very structured way. That's workflow instead of workaround.